Guys, a lot is happening in the world of AI video generation. We recently have another AI model called Hotshot, and it's generating quite interesting AI videos. Now it's a text to video generation model, and the results that it's producing, they are just mind blowing, and people are even calling it the SORA competitor. You see, all these are generated by Hotshot. So this video is gonna be interesting, so just tag along. So this example is from its website. So it's a blonde woman on her phone at the subway. Now this looks pretty realistic if you ask me, and I like this generation. And let's try out something else, check out something else actually. So a woman looking out a train window at mountains. This one is pretty realistic, guys, quite realistic, I would say. Now the thing is that they have cherry picked or these results actually. So after cherry picking these one, they have put the best one on their website. I'll also show you what other people have made on there. So a flight attendant walking down an aeroplane aisle. The seats don't seem to be perfect, but well, we have a video. Now if you go over here, click on these icons, it would also show you the other categories. So let's say we go to the people one. A woman with braids peeking above water. Quite interesting, I would say, quite realistic as well. A man with an afro sitting on a cloud. Interesting. Aerial view of a couple on a picnic blanket. Where's the arm of this woman? But this seems fun. Let's go for nature. Snow-capped mountain peaks reflected in a lake. Oh, this seems like a drone is moving towards the snow-capped mountain peaks. Erupting geysers in a geothermal area. This seems quite realistic actually. A fly through between mountains in the ocean. Now this seems like a drone shot, and it is wonderfully realistic actually. As for the expressions, let's check out these. A kid with a determined expression. A person looking concerned. A person smiling. Fine enough. What do they have in this one? This is for food. A sunny side up, eggs, sourdough toast and tomatoes. Looks fine enough. A jug pouring milk into a glass. Is the milk coming down in the jug? Well, this isn't perfect, but anyways, it's fine. And anthropomorphic cat as a butcher cutting salmon. Yeah, it's good enough. Now let me show you what other people have made. So this one is from Hotshot actually. So a woman with curly hair wearing grey sweater in a subway train as the train moves through dimly lit tunnel sections, bright flickering lights from outside. So this is actually the whole prompt. There's more to it, but this seems quite interesting. The woman is looking out of a train, and the relative motion is also fine. Here are some other examples. So these 10 wild examples posted by this guy Alamin. In this one, the prompt was: a man is excitedly vlogging to camera in desert. A giant watermelon is exploding behind him in desert. Man standing in front of a giant exploding watermelon and vlogging in the desert. Okay, so the same thing. So this is an interesting one. This is also generated by Hotshot. The guy seems quite realistic. Also, guys, what I found interesting at this site was that they posted this video in August 19, and their last one was in March 12. They were in development, and they have came out with a good product. This one also seems to be generated with Hotshot, even though we don't have the prompt for this one. This is generated by KinkyKong.ai, another account. So Hotshot, a diver in clear blue ocean surrounded by aquatic life forms, swims to the camera and holds a white board with the words love written on it. This was fairly, I would say, decent. The legs of this guy aren't clear. It seems like he is a mermaid. So his hands are not also holding this card of love. So I would say it's not that much decent, but anyways, this is what you get from an AI model that just came out and is beating other AI models that were claiming to be making impressive videos. But I'm obviously talking about SORA. We don't have anything related to SORA, and people cannot test it now, try it now. But maybe it has closed access. But anyways, this Hotshot, it's interesting. Now let me show you how you can make your own. So you have to click on this icon over here, and I think it would take you to the sign up page. Now the next question is, how can you start using Hotshot? So you'll have to click on here, make your own, and it would take you to the sign up page. Guys, the interesting thing that I came across is that they have upped the generations to 5 daily generations for free, and the paid tiers have no wait times or daily limits. So let's see how we can upgrade. So right now we have for the free $0 per month and 2 generations per day, but there's a notification saying we can make 5 generations a day. We can see on that. So for the plus, it's $99 per month, and we have 200 generations per month, unlimited daily generations. Okay, how does it make sense if you have unlimited daily generations and then you have 200 generations per month? Okay, anyways, let's get into it. So these are the same old videos that I showed you earlier. So okay, you see we have 5 left. That's what it is showing us. So what are you imagining? Let's say we imagine chicken on a Chinese subway train. Okay, so it's going to generate over here, and let's see how much time it takes. So right now in a few seconds it has got to around, let's say, 10%. I'll be back with the final results. So guys, this is how it's coming out to be. It's not complete yet, but it doesn't seem perfect already. So this is a chicken suspended in the air in a Chinese subway. This is it. So weird. And then the chicken moves out magically through the window. So this wasn't a good generation, but I think if you keep trying, you might come across a perfect one. Let's try another one. A football player celebrating his goal. Now let's see what Hotshot is able to make for us. So guys, here we have a football player, an NFL player, celebrating his goal, but his hands are disappearing and he's celebrating alone. And if you see, the legs also morph, and it's not perfect, but so this is what I got in 2 generations. Maybe I need to get more detailed in my prompts actually. So I have 3 left, and I'll try out other prompts as well. But what I was seeing is that the ideas and the things that they showed us on their homepage, they had minimalistic prompts. They weren't quite detailed, and they seem to produce good results. But I think you need to be more detailed with the prompts. So what I'm gonna do is, for the 3 remaining for today, I'm gonna get more detailed and I'll make another video on that one. So I hope you found this video to be informative, and you might be seeing 2 videos on your screen that you might like, and I'll see you in the next one.